There is a common perception in the West that China only makes poor quality goods. Sure, there are poor quality goods made in China and other low-cost countries like Vietnam, India, or Bangladesh. But memes like this one don't necessarily reflect the level of nuance needed to understand the situation. While there are low-quality goods coming out of China, there are also well-known brands like Apple, Coach, and Armani making products that are regarded as high quality and that command high prices. If you design a widget and want to have it manufactured in China, you can make low-quality widgets or high-quality widgets. The choice is really up to you. The manufacturing sector in China has changed significantly over time. Chinese manufacturing has evolved over time. This is how China has often been referred to as the world's factory. That's because, over the last 30-plus years, the country has gone from an agricultural economy to the world's leading manufacturer. According to The Economist, as of 2015, China produces about 80% of the world's air conditioners, 70% of its mobile phones, and 60% of its shoes. Its manufacturing sector has matured significantly. Factories have improved their processes, quality control, and worker training over time. The factory owners and managers also might have realized at some point that they could reorganize the layout of their factory to ensure more lean and efficient operations. They also would have become more aware of the quality standards and typical requirements of working with companies in the countries they export to. The reality is that, as an importer, if you want to produce very high-quality products in China like Apple does, there is nothing standing in your way. So why do so many low-quality products still come out of China? The first thing you should understand is that, like it or not, there is a demand for low-quality products in Western countries. Many Western retail brands realize that they can get more sales of their products by selling them at a lower price. To do this, they very consciously choose to sacrifice quality. As a buyer going to China, you will find factories that can produce your products to a wide range of different quality standards. Essentially, it comes down to the demands you place on them and how willing you are to spend more on better materials and quality control. If you come to the factory and say, "I want you to make the highest quality products for me and I want you to produce them at rock bottom, below market costs," you are starting things off on the wrong foot. It would be better instead to recognize that while you can produce your products in China at a lower cost than in the West and still get good quality, trying to push your costs down too far is going to be counterproductive. You get what you pay for. Therefore, it is better to have reasonable expectations and not focus on price as the sole factor guiding all your sourcing decisions. Another thing to consider is that, when dealing with Chinese factories, it is vital that you communicate exactly what you want to them. Price versus quality. What you need to know. When you're making products to sell in the marketplace, you have to consider the trade-offs between price and quality. Sometimes, producing better quality products can lead to paying a higher price for manufacturing. So today we have answered this question: why are the Chinese goods poor quality? I hope you enjoy, guys. Bye bye.